Hello students, my name is Ruchika. Students of ICSE class 10th, I'll talk about the second language exam pattern and structure of the question paper. These are the languages that shall be covered under the second language. There will be 80 marks awarded for the written paper and the internal assessment shall be marked on 20. Total 100 marks shall be awarded for the second language in the board exams. The written paper of 80 marks will be for 3 hours duration. There will be section A of language and section B is based on the prescribed text. The internal assessment for 20 marks, 10 marks shall be awarded by the internal examiner and 10 marks shall be awarded by the external examiner based on listening skills, speaking skills and assignments that you have done. The examination paper will be set on the syllabus that has been prescribed by the board, part of it which you have studied in class 9th and part you have covered in class 10th. Section A of language, there will be 40 marks awarded for this. There will be 4 questions set here and all of the questions shall be compulsory. The question 1 is of composition writing carrying 15 marks weightage. There shall be a choice of subjects and a suggestions shall be given in the paper how to attempt the question, but it is optional for the candidate to use those suggestions or to write the answer on his own. You will be suggested by the language or other stimuli such as pictures and objects. Here is a tip for you. You can include short explanations, directions, descriptions and narratives in your answer. Question 2 shall be letter writing for 7 marks. There is a choice of 2 subjects, that is formal or informal. Suggestions shall be given for writing the letter and it is optional for the candidates to use those suggestions. Here is a tip for you. The layout of the letter along with the address, introduction and conclusion will form a part of the assessment. Question 3, that is unseen passage carrying 10 marks weightage. The types of questions given will be designed to test your understanding of the content of the passage. The grammar checks on which you will be marked are understanding the words or phrases given in the passage, understanding the explicit content of the passage, distinguishing the main idea from the supporting details and giving the salient points of the passage. Question 4 shall be checking on your grammar, which carries 8 marks. The types of questions asked shall be vocabulary, syntax and idioms and sentence construction. Here is a tip for you. The questions will not require any knowledge of grammatical terms. The paper B, that is based on the prescribed text, it will also carry 40 marks. Structured and short answer questions have to be attempted. You have to attempt any 4 questions carrying 10 marks each. 1 question has to be attempted from the 2 prescribed textbooks and other 2 questions can be from any of the given sections. Thank you for watching this and do subscribe to Success Series Education.